Hi everyone again, here to do another unboxing of the latest G-Shock. It's the Milky Way version, released in China and Japan, and I think now it's gone globally. So this version I got from Japan. The last video there was a bit of a disaster with the unboxing, so I thought I'll just take the tape off this time early. And there's how it arrived today. So excited to see what this looks like. So as you can see, it's the GM2100MWG-1A JR module 5611. And nice decorated box. And no G-Shock tin, that's the way they're going Casio these days. So that's the box that it comes in. It's just a cardboard box with a G-Shock logo on it. Move that out of the way. The usual books and warranty card, and there's the module. And that's about it in the box. It's all cardboard. And open it up, and there you go. There's the watch in all its glory. There's a laser etched bezel. It's got the Milky Way on it. That's the box there. Nice purplish hue with gold lettering. It's really nice. You can see there the and it's got G-Shock written there. Start to get into the light. Yeah, you can see there G-Shock. And yeah, so cardboard again. Geez, not even a soft pad. I'm not happy with that. The way they're going, Casio. So this is the Japanese version, imported from Japan, from Sakura Watches. You can see there all the details. And yeah, looks fantastic. Get a close-up in there. Also, if you have a look at the back, we might take the plastic off here. So we can get a better look at the watch in all her glory. Yep, there you go. Beautiful. Very nice. In the back, it's I'm getting close. Lots of detail. The band is very soft, and a lot softer than I thought it would be. My watch of the day is the Edifice. It's the MS Ghost. But yeah, looking forward to slapping this on the wrist. Yeah, so laser etched. That's the sides. Yeah, looking beautiful. That is a stunning watch. So no Bluetooth or anything like that. It's the standard module. I think the light is up here. Yep, you can see the time there. There you go. It's a blue light. Fades in and out. So yeah, nice. So anyway, that's just a quick unboxing and a first look at the G-Shock Milky Way. I think that's what the MW stands for in the lettering. Yeah. So Galaxy, Milky Way Galaxy. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Hit the like button for more watches, shoes, and tech reviews. So I'm just starting up. I'm new to this, so leave a comment and thanks for watching. See you soon.